purpose of this presentation is to introduce three inventors, Professors Antonino Abrami, Fabrizio Tamburini and Dario Crosetto. These inventors, who belong to universities, foundations and associations, are pleased to present their innovative creations, which are effective tools to protect the environment, increase food safety, and improve healthcare in a financially competitive environment.
This presentation describes the inventions SMS, segregation metal system, and SMSP, SMS pyrolysis, by Abrami and Tamburini, and the inventions 3D CBS, 3D complete body screening, and 3D flow opera, object pattern real-time recognition algorithms by Crosetto. SMS and SMSP will bring fish to the market that are free of heavy metal and provide solutions for a water distribution without arsenic, while the 3D CBS technology, based on the 3D flow opera, provides an effective early detection of cancer and other diseases when they are at their most curable stage. It does this in a single examination with very low radiation covering all organs of the body, thus replacing the need for a separate mammogram, Pap test, colonoscopy, PSA, and other less efficient screenings, potentially saving millions of lives and reducing healthcare costs.
The segregation metal system process, SMS, is designed to purify water from heavy metals by electrocapture and porous cathode-anode membranes, which provide for the protection of human health and ecosystems.
The patented invention SMS describes a method and an intelligent modular device that reduces the concentration of heavy metals in water with a feedback effect that prevents the modular systems from excessive desalination to dangerous levels for the life of the ecosystem.
Applications: fish farming. Outcome: protection of human health and the ecosystem. The SMSP is a pyrolytic process for the on-site treatment and capture of residual metals.
With the electrocapture method, pyrolysis, it is possible to reduce the toxicity of the residual products from urban waste using this environmentally friendly method. This is based on electrode deposition onto modules of inner electrodes actively controlled by a processing unit totally compatible with the environment. This process can be remotely controlled and the results made public via the web and an app.
With its innovative method, lagoons, lakes and other water resources present in nature can be cleaned and maintained free from the presence of heavy metals.
Not only will water be free from dangerous chemical components, but also the whole process will be environmentally friendly. Depending on the application, the purification modules may be supplied by solar energy. Each module will work maintenance-free for years. The inert electrodes do not dilute in water. Power and voltage are eco-compatible and do not harm fauna. This slide shows a very basic schematic of a standard process versus our improved solution.
The long time needed for depuration will always be compatible with the natural process of sedimentation.
This slide outlines some of the most important points about the inventions as mentioned. IARC, the International Agency for Research on Cancer, defines the carcinogenicity of metal elements as carcinogenicity class 1. A particular study has highlighted that arsenic and its inorganic derivatives, beryllium, cadmium, nickel, and its derivative compounds, are clearly carcinogenic.
Studies show that cancers caused by environmental damage are on the increase, as demonstrated by the increased incidence of cancer in children and young adults, and that heavy metals present in water as environmental pollution are linked to cancer.
This slide summarizes the history of the health system and how it has advanced to its current status. It is therefore necessary to use all possible means, including more advanced technologies, to repair the current state of health and provide a healthy living environment.
appello ad amministratori e politici, a chi può, da uno scienziato cuneese che ha inventato una tecnologia di diagnosi precoce del cancro. Tempi più rapidi, minori costi e meno rischi nell'esame del paziente. Il problema è smuovere le grandi imprese perché questo progetto, il progetto di questa macchina, diventi realtà.
The 3D CBS is a method and system designed for an effective early detection of cancer and other diseases when they are at their most curable stage. It provides physicians with additional and more accurate information to improve diagnoses, prognoses, and the monitoring of treatments for many diseases.
The patented 3D CBS invention describes a method and apparatus hundreds of times more efficient than current PET devices, positron emission tomography, and requires less than 1/50th the radiation, thus enabling an effective early detection at a much lower examination cost.
Most everyone we know has a family member or friend who has been affected by cancer. 8 million deaths every year, among which 7 million are premature, more than in any war.
Cancer is the most deadly and costly calamity in the world. How is this problem being addressed?
Now we are talking about big data, personalized medicine, sequencing DNA, genomics. However, there is another solution that we have known about for over 70 years. Early cancer detection, which could have already saved 50% of these premature deaths.
To have an efficient early detection, we need to detect a signal related to the mutation from a normal cell into a cancerous cell. The essence of this project is to find that needle in a haystack, create a trap, the trap that will capture a given signal or object, the tumor marker.
The 3D CBS is based on another invention by Crosetto, the 3D flow system, which was recognized valuable by academia, industry and research centers in a major scientific review. It is the solution to the problem that thousands of scientists from prestigious world laboratories have sought for 20 years and opens the door to many applications.
One of these applications is the 3D CBS, which traps all tumor markers contained in the radiation. It cost-effectively provides intensive computation at the front end of the detector, capturing all tumor marker signals, maximizing efficiency and accuracy in their measurements of time, energy, spatial resolution, and sensitivity, which help eliminate false positives and false negatives. Its front-end intensive computational capability, which can extract all valuable information from radiation at the lowest cost per valid signal captured, allows economical crystals to be used, thus reducing the cost of the examination as well as the device.
This enables an effective early detection of cancer and other diseases when they are at their most curable stage, saving over 50% of lives that would be lost prematurely, potentially saving billions of lives while reducing healthcare costs.